Hey, what's up guys? It's Ryan here. Today we have a super awesome, fun day of surfing and training with Initiative Surf. Alright, well it's currently 5:30 in the morning. You guys can probably see behind me it's kind of dark. I'm lighting this up with my flashlight on my phone. Anyway, it's 5:30 right now and I'm going down to the beach to train. Now, you guys are probably asking, why are you going so early? Well, one of the trainees that are training with Initiative Surf leave today pretty early in the morning, so we're getting a quick little coaching session in before he leaves, and afterwards we're gonna go to Playa Ostinal and get a full session in there. I'm gonna take the pink bike because it's pretty close and I love riding that thing, so let's go.
I think that's such a grommet thing to do.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some sets. Oh no. Just got here. The waves are pretty strong, but the waves are fun. Yeah.
Seven?
Absolute latest. How long do you think you're ready when you get home? 7.
I mean, I was
Well, that was a really quick session. It ended after about 15 minutes because I snapped my leash. See this? It's right there. Not a very fun experience snapping your leash in big waves, but luckily there weren't any sets, so I swam in really quickly. But I mean, if a set would have come, oh, that would have been bad for me. Anyway, I'm gonna go home now, eat some breakfast, and then go somewhere else to train. Okay, we got a breakfast. Look at this. Mangoes, pancakes with mangoes. I'm gonna get into this. Alright, just finished that sick breakfast. Now, I'm waiting to get the call when we're leaving, but meanwhile, watching Casey's new vlog. It's really good. Alright guys, we just got the call. Coming. Okay, let's do this now. Gonna go search for some sick waves. Hey!
Been a while?
An hour?
Hey, wait, are you vlogging us?
Yes, I am. The waves here are really big and pretty closed out. Hopefully I'll get a few ones. It's kind of scary, a little bit nervous, but I'm sure once I get in the water I'll get over it. Okay, so just finished the first surf session. It actually wasn't as big once we got out there, but there's still a few moments where I was a little nervous. But when those moments came, I just thought to myself that everything in life is always working out for me. So I knew that I was gonna be okay. So that's just what I thought, and now I'm happy that I got out there, and I'm happy that I got over that fear. And yeah, we're gonna go back to Guiones now because it should be better there now. So I'm getting some empanadas now. Arroz con pollo.
Ya. ¿Cuántos quieres?
Dos.
Mami, los platos son arroz con pollo. Sí, todo. No, ya.
Alright, now that we got our empanadas, we can go back to Guiones and ooh. And we have magically teleported back to Guiones. The waves are onshore here, but it's pretty good for just surf training and working on turns. Whereas where we were before is kind of closing out, and the waves were fun, but it wasn't that good for coaching. But looks like there's a few fun ones, even though it's onshore. I think I'm out there. Abra. Okay, just finished the third session of the day. I'm really tired now. Surfed for like 3 hours today. Anyway, pretty fun session. This was definitely the best one. It was the longest one too. And yeah, I got a few good waves. I'm gonna go back to the Initiative Surf house / headquarters, and yeah, gonna go back there, eat something probably, and then go over all the footage and do the video analysis. So let's go. Oh my god. Oh
so
no,
close.
you didn't.
Yeah.
It didn't even have any meat.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, I didn't get that.
You made the vlog.
Only broke my finger.
He just opened that coconut with his hands.
Other eye.
Green hat moment. Callie! What is it?
Oh yeah, tell us a little bit about your session.
Sucked. Big, mushy, far out, tiring, not fun.
Alright, gonna have some breakfast now. I'm really hungry after all that surfing. A sweet breakfast. Alright, now we're gonna go over all the footage and analyze it.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so just finished the coaching video analysis session. Now, not really sure what I'm doing next. Probably get some schoolwork done because I need to do some of that. Maybe start editing the vlog if I have time. And yeah, I'll update you soon enough. So I just set down my computer to start doing some schoolwork, and look at this. Ready? On my Tony Hawk video, I have almost 7,000 views. Look at this, guys. What? That is sick.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, about 3 hours later, got some good schoolwork done. I'm actually back home right now, and I'm gonna go surf. We are about to paddle out. The waves look pretty damn funsy-dunsy. I have no idea why I said that. It seemed cooler in my head. They're pretty fun. It's actually really fun right now, so can't wait to get out there. Get some sick clip for you guys, hopefully. And it's currently the next day, and I forgot to record an outro again. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a super long day of surfing and training and coaching. Surfed probably 4 or 5 hours that day. It was really fun. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe. If you're new, comment down below what you guys thought, and I'll see you guys in the next one.